Hi guys, just wanted to show you this KENDO Cobalt drill bit set here. I bought this a couple of weeks ago, never used it. Now yesterday my son came and needed to drill into a piece of carbon fiber on his car, so I gave it to him and it worked absolutely awesome. The awesome thing is that he used just a small drill and it was still stable enough to drill from the side because he didn't have enough space underneath the car, so he had to drill from the side, which is super difficult, something like that, and it still worked really good and the drill didn't break. Usually with the drills which I've been using in my old set, I've never been able to drill from the side, which is super difficult and puts a lot of stress on such a drill, and it worked yesterday even with very strong carbon fiber, and the tips are pretty sharp. I haven't been using it on metal, but for me it looks really sturdy, very sharp, easy to use. So I show it here pretty quickly. Okay, you can see I didn't apply a lot of pressure and it gave me a very clean hole. You can even look through it easily. So for me, it makes a really good impression. Maybe some help if you want to buy this thing. There are a couple of drills which are duplicated, like this one here and this one, but you can see the length is different. So why is that? So let's take this out here, small one and the second one, and you can see they are actually the same, exactly same length. So they made the holder a little bit different to look the one a little bit longer. Same thing here. I love it that we have multiple of these very small drills, because these are the ones which I use the most, and of course because they are very thin, they tend to break the easiest. I mean, again, for me they look very sturdy, but still, of course, they are thin, and when you apply too much pressure then they could break, especially of course when you don't drill straight. But also here you can see they have exactly same lengths. They do not have different lengths, they have just different holders to make them look different lengths. This is maybe something which is important for you to know. Also, of course, the same thing with this one here. So for me it looks absolutely awesome. Comes in this really nice box. There was some lock here which we removed, but it's still great like that. Absolutely perfect, exactly how I needed it, and so I can give you full recommendation, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.